All right, guys, 2012 Infiniti G37 right there. Got factory converters there and there. Factory X-pipe if you want to dual in, dual out. I guess Infiniti's way of an X-pipe. And then we did a mid resonator delete right there. Then continued and added 2-inch pipe to the 1 3/4 that's existing. And installed, he brought two HK5 super muffler stainless steel. Here's the part number on it. There'll be a link in the description if we can find it. I don't know if you can see them. They look like that. We'll show them to you guys in a second. One here and one here where the stock mufflers went. And we kept the silencers in there and there. These have 3 bolts on them and you take them out. And it makes it louder. And you put them in and it makes it quieter. So that's how silencers work right there. There's the 2 resonators. And the mufflers that were on it right there. We took them all off and replaced it. It looks a lot better, a lot cooler. I like the look of those. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. HK5 mufflers and resonator delete. That's good. If you take those out, it'll be even louder. Your sound decibels? Again? 104. Not bad. Go ahead and back it up. HK5 mufflers. Let you guys hear on the inside. Infiniti G37. HK5 mufflers and resonator deletes. All the way from South Carolina, guys. We appreciate him coming down. We hooked him up. Well, it's never too far. Oh, yeah. We smoked out of an Infiniti. Enjoy, guys.